Guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your Efsane live chat. Okay, as you can see, if you want to log in, sign in, okay, it will take you down here. Before it normally require password, okay, but now they have rebuilt the app, so it's for you now to log in successfully to the Efsane live chat. Okay, so immediately you sign in, it take you down here. You can add this to your home screen so that if you want to go about this one, so but now you just have to press login here. So this login now, it will allow you permission to be coming here to have access to this, so you allow it. So now, as you allow now, you have to resign. You sign in again. So immediately you sign in again, so you are totally connected to the live chat. Okay, the former one that normally require password before, it has rebuilt right now. Okay, this is how to sign to the live chat right now. So right now you have to put your country, your country. So for me now, I'm Nigerian, so I'm searching for Nigeria here. So that's MN. So this is Nigerian. Okay, so I have to put my, okay, automatically I've signed it before, so let me just put this there. Okay, so I will check this, verify as human. Success, so just sign in directly. Right now, you will be able to sign into the live chat. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the live chat now. So what are the things you can do here? Okay, so if you look at it, your normal sign in, you can use it to sign in here. So that is it, guys. So guys, as you can see right now, that what is all this live chat is all about. Okay, it's about to connect to yourself, to chat, to talk. Okay, as you can see here now, if you want, let's assume it now. I want to chat here now, so I will just chat to many people and then I will send it. Okay, I will send it right now. So but when I send it right now, you will be able to see that comment not yet available. So they have not started yet. Okay, I told you that they are still building the app. Okay, so now, and what are the other things you can do? So those of you that you convert your jam to USDT or this thing, I think you should just wait a little bit to have more jam, because here now, if you come down to this transfer, if I click on this transfer now, you will be able to see that after I have converted my jam always, but I still have available gems, that is 2000 right now. So if I click on all now, so you can see now, oh, that is 2000. So I will be able to, if I deposit it right now, I will send it down to the live chat. Okay, so I think they are going to start using gem there. So that is why if you just keep your gem, okay, don't rush to convert it to USDT. After all, you have more USDT or the Efsane. Okay, guys, so that is it. And then you can, if I click on withdrawal now, can you see right now it has been withdraw available deposit, right? So it has come back now. So that is it. That is exactly what is going up now with this chart. Okay, guys, so quickly, immediately you sign in, you want to sign in to get your jam. If you take you down here, go and sign in, go and use your normal passwords to come down here, guys. So that is the latest update here now. Okay, guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next update, guys. Peace.